Everyone on Roblox has their favorite YouTuber. It might be Creekcraft, Flamingo, Robuilder, Russo, or even me, SmartyRBX. But don't you ever wonder, how can I be just like them? How do I blow up on YouTube with Roblox content? Look, I was right where you are. I was struggling for views, but now I have 80,000 subscribers and a thriving community. Imagine if you could uncover the secrets that no one else will tell you. Secrets that could potentially make you a star in the Roblox community. Ready to finally break through the mold and succeed on Roblox YouTube? Let's get into it. But before we discuss that, let's talk about the big question. Why even become a Roblox YouTuber? What is in it for you? First off, money. You can make a legitimate living from doing Roblox YouTube. If you get a good amount of subs and start getting some views, you can pull in a good amount of ad revenue. I've made thousands of dollars even on single videos because I have gotten a lot of views. Another benefit is having a community of your own, having people who love your content and support you and anything that you make. Plus, you get to follow your passion and build unique skills. And you can build a future doing Roblox YouTube. Many Roblox YouTubers are pulling in millions of dollars a year. There is a lot of income potential if you do Roblox YouTube. Look at these Roblox YouTubers. They have fancy cars and dream lifestyles. There's Project Supreme, Tap Water, and Mini Blocks, who are all living proof that you can make a living and build a future for yourself with Roblox YouTube. Now, the first essential step to grow on Roblox YouTube is to choose your niche. Roblox is not just one big community. It is hundreds of smaller ones. You need to find your corner. Are you into general Roblox topics like Roblox news or how to earn Robux? Or maybe you're into a specific game such as Please Donate. Or you want to cover a variety of games. Another option is to focus on dev content and show people how to make Roblox games or show yourself making a game. That's the type of content I do. But all of these are viable options. It depends on the niche that you want to do. And each niche has an audience. Simply choose the niche you want to be in based on what you enjoy. And here's something interesting. Once you find your niche, you might start to notice opportunities that you didn't see before. Here's where things get real. Start with one video, just one. Don't overthink it. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is to simply get started. When you're launching your channel, it's all about quantity over quality. Get out 100 videos. Yes, I said 100 videos. It is a grind, but this is how you find the content that will work. You want to get out a lot of videos and then see which ones do well and then make more of that type of content. If you put out a bunch of videos on a specific game like Please Donate and those don't do that well, and then you upload one video on how to earn Robux with a different method and that video gets thousands of views, now you know the type of content that works best. Make more of the content on the other method. Simple, right? Just adapt your content based on what works and double down on that. For me, I noticed a long time ago that dev content worked better than the other videos I was putting out. And that helped me to decide to go all in on that. You can do the same thing. You can post videos on all kinds of Roblox topics, and if one does better than the other ones, make more videos on that. Really quick, check this out. If you follow me on X now, @SmartyRBX, you can learn secrets every day on how to grow in content creation. If you follow me, I promise you it's going to change your Roblox career forever. Next, speed and momentum are everything on YouTube. Why? Because the YouTube algorithm rewards consistency and frequency. The more that you post videos, the more chances you have to go viral. Now, when you start to go fast and you start to put out videos all the time, now you're going to build momentum. Momentum keeps your channel going. It's like an airplane that you've sent into the air. If you stop sending gas to the engines, the plane's still gonna keep going because it has momentum. And that means momentum is very powerful. Momentum will keep your channel growing just like it keeps a plane flying. To maintain it, set a content schedule and stick to it. Whether it's daily, bi-weekly, or weekly, be consistent. Batch record videos so you always have content ready to go. And remember, done is always better than perfect. Keep moving forward. Make videos, even if they aren't the best, and improve on each one. And just imagine what could happen if you kept that momentum going. The opportunities are endless. Now, you're starting to put out videos. You're going faster and faster. You're consistent, and that means you're building up some momentum. Now, let's talk about something crucial. Being unique and standing out. The YouTube landscape is crowded. There's a lot of people who are making Roblox channels and channels in general, but there's only one you. Use your unique personality, use your unique perspective, use your unique interests and style. Don't try to be a copy of someone else because authenticity resonates. Can you imagine if Flamingo, Creekcraft, and Russo were all exactly the same and they made copy-paste videos of each other and they never made anything different? That would be crazy, right? So look, their authenticity, their uniqueness make their channels worth watching. If they were the same, it would be kind of weird. It wouldn't be watched by anyone. This is why you need to be unique. When you bring your true self to your videos, you create a genuine connection with your audience. And you might ask, but why would anyone watch me? But ask yourself, what can you offer that no one else can? What is not being done yet on Roblox YouTube? This is basically what I did way back on my channel, and now I've built a very unique approach to making Roblox content that you don't see anywhere else. I make highly informative and motivational content with my unique personality, and I share a lot of insights that other YouTubers, even development YouTubers, never talk about. And it's worked out very well. And this proves that your uniqueness is your superpower on your channel. Embrace it, show it, and allow it to shine through each piece of content that you create. Remember, people are drawn to authenticity, and your real, unique voice is what will set you apart from the crowd. You need to be different. If you look the same as all the sheep in the crowd, you're never gonna stand out. But the second that you do something differently is the second that you get noticed. All right, we've covered a lot of ground today. You now have the blueprint to become a famous Roblox YouTuber that honestly is never discussed anywhere else. Now it's time to take action. If you've watched this far, do you realize that that means you know more than 99% of people will ever know about growing on Roblox YouTube? Really? So, just start. Start with one video on one topic on one channel. Start when you're not ready, because perfection comes later.